If your under-counter ice maker is no longer making ice, here are some options that might solve the problem. First off, we are going to pull it from the back of the counter here and see if the drain hose or the water supply line are kinked. If they aren't kinked, that's not the problem. We're going to check to see if the drain cap is tight, and in this instance it is. You'll also want to make sure that you've cleaned the unit. Now the unit's supposed to be cleaned every 9 months, and if your cleaning light is on, that means you're going to have to clean the appliance. The next most obvious thing is when you open up the door, you should see lights. If you do not see the lights, that means that your unit just might be off. Check to make sure that it is plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't been blown. Reset a circuit breaker if it has, and then you'll be getting ice. Also, the next thing to look for is your water filter. Make sure that your water filter has been changed within the last 9 months. If it hasn't, that could be the cause. If all these solutions don't produce any results, then call for service.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.